All right, so here we are at the Client Partners. It's Saturday night. I'm gonna go in, get some interaction with the guests, make sure that it's lively, people are having fun, enjoying the food. I wanna go in the kitchen, go behind the scenes, kind of show the guests the food preparation, the fresh ingredients, and kind of the energy of the kitchen. And then I also wanna do some of the bar, go into the bartender, show them making drinks, show some of the energy inside the bar. We really want to show the guests on social media how exciting it is to go in and eat, have your favorite dish, and it's also really fun. So come along with me. Let me show you what I mean.